Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a phone making huge waves for its design, performance, and crazy fast charging. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out in the next 3 minutes. The design screams premium, polished metal frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 3, curved edges, and IP68 water resistance. You get 3 colors, midnight black, glacier blue, and titanium silver. Now, the display. A massive 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED with 144 Hz refresh rate and 3000 nits peak brightness. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and with Dolby Vision plus HDR10 plus support, watching movies feels cinematic. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. Daily tasks, gaming, or editing, this phone flies. Plus, Xiaomi's new vapor chamber cooling keeps it running smoothly even under heavy load. On the back, a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom, and a macro lens. Photos look sharp and natural, while low-light shots are boosted by AI night mode. You also get 8K video plus Dolby Vision, and the 32-megapixel selfie camera handles portraits and video calls really well. Powering it all is a 5,500 mAh battery with insane charging speeds, 150 watts wired, 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes, and 80 watts wireless. It easily lasts all day. The phone runs HyperOS on Android 15, smooth and customizable, with 4 years of updates promised. So, should you buy it? If you want top-tier performance, excellent cameras, ultra-fast charging, and a killer display at a price lower than Samsung or Apple, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a winner. The only catch? It's a big phone, and HyperOS still isn't for everyone. But overall, this is easily one of the best flagships of 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you choose this over the iPhone 17 Pro Max or Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra?